tubes.
So
So, microwave tubes are lamps that produce microwaves. Microwave tubes are electron guns for generating linear beam tubes, and it generates and amplifies higher frequencies in the microwave range of frequency spectrum.
and we need to know about microwave range and microwave applications and advantages too before going to start about the microwave tubes. um, we need to also we need to know about microwave sources like klystron, magnetron and traveling wave tube amplifier. Before that, why microwaves? So microwave tubes are a type of vacuum tube that generate and also amplify the higher frequency microwave signals from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz, and it also generate higher output power levels from a few hundred watts to more than 10 megawatt. And it is used commonly in military applications, electronic warfare applications and civilian radar like weather detection and highway collision avoidance too. So compared to the conventional vacuum tubes, what is the advantages of microwave tubes? So this is the second question. So the conventional vacuum tubes can also provide higher efficiency, higher power signals. However, they are limited by frequency. As you go higher up in the frequency, the efficiency of conventional vacuum tubes drops significantly. So, microwave tubes replaced conventional vacuum tubes like triodes, tetrodes, and pentodes, as they can generate higher power with efficiency at frequencies up to 300 gigahertz.
It operates at frequencies from 300 MHz to 300 GHz with output power ranging from 10 MW to a few hundred watts.
So the operating principle of microwave tube is based on velocity modulation of electrons. The velocity modulation concept is used to prevent the problems caused due to transit time effects that are encountered in conventional tubes. A long transit time is very efficiently in microwave tubes in the conversion of DC power to RF power. By using the resonant cavities in the microwave tubes and the velocity modulation of electrons, the power can be interchanged. So what is velocity modulation? So next question is, what is velocity modulation? That is, velocity modulated tubes are microwave tubes using transit time in the conversion of DC power to radio frequency power. So this is the this concept is also used in magnetron and klystron sources. So velocity modulation is very important to study about the microwave tubes and microwave sources. The interchange of power is accomplished by using the principle of electron velocity modulation and low loss resonant cavities like near the electron beam of a microwave tube, and it consists of a vacuum tube with a resonant cavity and an electron gun. The most fundamental and critical component of a microwave tube is that cavity resonator. So this is the important part. So electrons are emitted from a source into the tube, and the cavity resonator inside the tube amplifies the signals. So and then the collector is used to collect the amplified electrons at the other end of the tube. So these tubes that are used in the operational structure are called linear beam tubes, as the electron beam and the circuit elements of interaction are arranged linearly. So traveling wave tubes and klystrons are example of linear beam tubes. So what are the advantages of microwave tubes? So why we are using microwave tubes? So basically it is used to make a bath between the input and the output. It transfer the input and it is used to reaches the particular output. Okay, so the microwave power tubes present advantages like efficiency, wideband performance and robustness with higher power and higher frequency. Solid state amplifiers consist of a lot of transistors and uses some combining techniques for a total power. And what are the applications? Why we go for microwave tubes? So it is used in radio, TV, telecommunications and radars and military systems, especially in airborne units, and industrial, scientific and medical systems. All are used in these microwave tubes. And types. So this is the important part. Next we are going to discuss about magnetron, klystron and traveling wave tubes, working principle, advantages, disadvantages and their parts and their operation clearly. So these are the types for microwave tubes: traveling wave tubes, klystron tubes and magnetron tubes.